From where do I download my CTET result and marks? This is a question which has been asked through a comment. I thank you for that. Of course, if you've given the July 2024 CTET, the results are on the CTET website and the mark sheet will come soon onto your DigiLocker. But if you've given a previous exam, let's see from where you can get your CTET result and mark sheet. Let's dig in. So here I'm on the CTET.nic.in, the official CTET website, and in case you have taken the July 2024, you can click on this right button and you have the July 2024 results. If you click on that, you will get another window and you can click here and go and put in your roll number and the security pin, and you can get your result for the July 2024 that's given out here. But this is what the CTET website has to say regarding where you will get your older results. So if you go to the e-service and click on duplicate mark sheets, this is what they say. From 2011 to 2016, so if you have taken your exams from 2011 to 2016, you can click here to apply. Okay? You will get your roll number, you have to put in your passing month, and you will get your document. So if you have taken your exam 2018 and onwards, this is what you have to do. You have to go to your DigiLocker and log in, select CBSE, select TET, Teacher Eligibility Test Mark Sheet, put in your roll number, select the year and click on the document. Let me show you how this is done. So here I am clicking on the DigiLocker app. If you are not already signed in to the DigiLocker, this is a Government of India site. As you can see, you can sign up. So to sign in, you can use your mobile number, you can use your username, you can use your Aadhaar. So I shall be using my mobile number and I'll show you what happens once we log in. So here I am in my DigiLocker. So I already have my mark sheet and my test result downloaded, but this is what you have to do. So here on the left you have search documents. So we got to search documents. Now decidedly on the laptop this is more difficult, but you can narrow it down by putting the category as central government. You can also click on education and learning, that will narrow it down to 1200, and then put CBSE and you have CBSE out here. The first one is CBSE. Once you come to CBSE, search for teacher eligibility test. The moment you write TEA, you have your teacher eligibility. Click on that. You need to enter your name, which is already there, your roll number, and select the year when you have given your exam. So I'll also do that. You have to click on get document. So I may not get it right now because it's already there in my home page. So if you see my home page, it is already there. So that is one way where you can get your results. The second way, let me show you, is to come to home, go right down where result is shown out here, right down out here, and you will see that there is a tab called previous year results. So if you go to the previous year results, you can go to your year and CTET December 2022 result, and again you can put in your roll number, put in the security pin and submit, and you will get your result. Okay, so you have your roll number. This is very easy. Now you might be asking, where does one get the roll number from? Because we've usually been using the application number. So if you go to your admit card, this is my admit card, here is the application number, and right next to it is the roll number. So that's where you get your roll number for. For that, your admit card is very necessary. Now what do you do if you don't have your roll number? For me, this is a personal experience that I'm sharing. I had completely lost my admit card. I had neither mailed it to myself nor could I find the hard copy. So even though I cleared my exams, which took place in January 2023, I was unable to have a copy of the mark sheet at that time. So this is what I did. So what I had with me was my application number, and for that you can just go to your email and type from CTET, and the confirmation page, even the mail would have given you your application number. So the application number is here. you have got that. But given the application number, how do you get your roll number? Because you need your roll number to be able to access your mark sheet. So what did I do? I wrote them a mail in which you can see I had written them in August saying that I had appeared for the CTET and this is my application number. I don't have a copy of my admit card. I wish to copy my mark sheet. So please give me a. So this did not get me any reply actually. So this is what I did next. So if you go to examinationservices.nic.in and you write CTET admit card, you get a helpline number. You also get CTET NIC CTET 2022 and you can get these links. Some of them are working, some of them are not. So this takes you directly to the July 2022, which you don't want. But for example, you do have the CTET December 2021 and this you can get. So if you put in your application number, you have to remember the password that you had put and the security. Although there are options of forgot application number and forgot password. So you can try out these and get your result. And the one thing that I've learned is that always keep copies, mail things to yourself and use the DigiLocker. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any queries, any questions, do put it in the comments below. And thank you once again to the subscriber who asked this question.